Today we're going to demonstrate the engine run and test stand for the Ford Y-Block engine. This test stand is made of 2-inch 12-gauge steel, electrostatically coated with gloss black paint, and supported by 5-inch lockable casters. The engine rests on the stand with side motor mounts from a Ford passenger car. The back of the engine is supported by a manual transmission bell housing that encloses the flywheel and starter motor. This engine is a 1955 Ford Thunderbird Y-Block engine with the complete Thunderbird accessories. It has a Thunderbird radiator, an electric fan. There's also working generator, voltage regulator, the starter solenoid, 12-volt electrical system with battery. There's also an electric fuel pump as well as a mechanical fuel pump on the other side. The engine has Thunderbird valve covers, air cleaner, exhaust manifolds, and mufflers. The carburetor is the 1955 Holley 4000. Now let's look at the dashboard here. The dashboard for our engine run and test stand has the ignition switch, which is keyed to usual functions, switch for the electric fan, switch for the fuel pump. We have a voltmeter to monitor the charging system, oil pressure gauge, water temperature gauge, vacuum gauge, tachometer, and the throttle is connected by cable to the carburetor. Now let's start the Y-Block motor. You can see the motor runs smooth without any smoke. We're charging at slightly less than 15 volts, 14.5 volts. Oil pressure is good at 42.5. Engine's not warmed yet. Vacuum is steady at 20. Tach is reading 1000. We can turn the electric fan on, although we don't need it, but I'll turn it on to demonstrate it. The standard pusher fan in front of the radiator. Let's rev it up a little bit. Hear it run more. Notice how quiet it is with the muffler. No idler down. Not quite warmed up. Idle at 750. There we have a 1955 Ford Thunderbird Y-Block motor running on engine run and test stand. This completes our video demonstration of the engine run and test stand.